Hello again everyone, Truck CB Sales here with a tune-up report for Sargent Sam's in Oregon. Sergeant, we've got you ready to go here, sir. But first of all, I want to say thank you for your service in the Army National Guard. No fellas, if you're watching this, he didn't mention he was in the military, but his email told the tale, and I just want to recognize him and thank him for what he does for this country, and I want to recognize and thank all the veterans and all the active servicemen and the boys in blue for their service and everything they've done to allow us to have the freedoms we have today. Thank you. Alright, now on with the show here. Stryker SR-655HP. Got you ready to go, Sarge. RF power all the way down, 50 watt slug. We set it at 2 watts so you have full adjustability in case you decide to run an amp. 22 watts all the way up. I'm going to show you average power swing. And about 45 bird. 100 watt slug in PEP. About 97 PEP. Alright, Mr. Sam's. We most definitely appreciate you. From your friend Truck at www.truckscbsales.com. Bump bump.